So good morning friends, I'm NM and today I'm going to show you my English activity. This is my English grammar activity, lesson 1 to 9. This is portfolio. This is chapter number 1, from words to sentences. This is chapter number 1. This is chapter number 2, transformation of sentences. And here is all the information about transformation of sentences. And this is third chapter from words, more about words here. This is my fourth chapter about nouns, abstract noun, proper noun, collective nouns and common nouns. Here's my fifth chapter, pronouns. Here is the definition of personal and reflexive pronoun. Here is emphatic and demonstrative pronoun. Here is relative and distributive pronouns. And here is indefinite and interrogative pronouns. And this is our chapter, determiners. Here is all the definition about determiners and its types. And here's the definition of adjectives. And the next is verbs. Here is the definition about verbs. And here is our last and ninth chapter, that's tenses. So this was my activity. Thank you. Bye bye.